Hello viewers, welcome. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how to find gradient of any sorts of function through using TensorFlow. So let's see. Import TensorFlow as TF. Now make a constant x equal to TF dot constant and give a value out there 5 or 3. Okay, now with TF dot GradientTape, pass out their persistent equal to st. Now I want to watch out the x out there, so pass out their x. Now create some function with x. So y equal to x star x. Now z equal to y star y. Okay, so if I comment out, so z equal to ultimately y x to the power 4, and here y equal to x to the power 2. Now I want to find dy dx, that is the gradient of y with respect to x. So t dot gradient, pass out there y and pass out there x. Now I want to find the gradient of z with respect to x. T dot gradient, pass out their z, pass out their x. Now let's print. So print dy dx dot numpy, and you can see I got out there 6. Now let's print the second one. So print dz dx dot numpy, and I got out there 108. So if I manually calculate the gradient, so let's go. And so if I differentiate z with respect to x, then I will get dz dx equal to 4 star x star x star x. So let's see what I got. Dz dx dot numpy. So you can see I got okay, let's change this to another variable. Oh, sorry. So you can see this value out there and this value out there are same. So without using any sorts of differentiation, just using GradientTape function, I can track any function, any variable, and then I can find the gradient or slope of that variable with respect to a function. So I will be showing you what is the use of gradient in the next tutorial. So this is all for this tutorial, and as always, thanks for watching.